guys, welcome you all to the PC Tips Pro. Today in this video, I'm gonna to show you how you can create video content portal website with WordPress. So if you want to create your attractive websites, then without learning any programming languages like HTML and Java, you can go with this WordPress platform. If you want to make your video content access to the large number of users, then it's the best platform for you to create your own websites. So before we move further, don't forget to subscribe to the channel PC Tips Pro. So before we move further to this topic, let me tell you that they require two basic requirements. The first requirement is the domain. That means you need to buy a domain, and the second is you need to buy a hosting. So let's proceed further to this. First of all, you can open your browser and on the browser search for Domain Racer, or you can directly go to the website which is domainracer.com. So guys, here I'm not going to buy the hosting because I already having it with Domain Racers, and I really love their services because they have very great services. They also have instant support. As you can see, support chat is here. So you can talk to them directly, and you can directly contact to the salesperson also if you are having any of the technical issues. So I am only going to buy the domain here. So here when you open the Domain Racer website, on the top you can see domain is here. So click on the domain and search for the domain. Also make sure while searching for domain, try to search for the name which is relevant to your website. It means the keyword of your website should be in domain. So talking about video content portal website, I'll search for my video and will click on the search option. And here you can see there are different suggestions coming up. The domains which are available here, the first domain is myfilmdesign.com and the second is myvideodesign.xyz and the third is mymoviedesign.com. So if you are a developer and digital marketer, then I'll suggest you to go with .com domain because the .com domain will show your presence globally. It also helps to rank your website on top. And once you select the .com domain, you can click to this add to cart. Now you can go to the web hosting, but as I earlier said that I already having hosting with Domain Racer, so I am skipping this hosting part. Now we will move to the second part to set up your hosting. So again, you need to go to the Domain Racer website. Then on the top, you can see this login option. So click on this login option. And once you click into login option, you have your credentials to login. This is the same credentials which you have created at the time of signing up the account with the Domain Racer. So use these same credentials to log into the account. And once you log in to your account, you will see the services and products. So once you click on the shared hosting and domain, you will get the Cpanel login credentials and the link also. So guys, here I'm directly going to the Cpanel. Then after this, I'll enter my username and password. Now once you log into Cpanel account, scroll down it completely down to bottom, and in this software menu you can see WordPress Manager by Domain Racer. So click into this, and now you can see WordPress management is here. Also you can see two different options, install and scan. So click into install option, and here we are going to install the WordPress in our Cpanel hosting. So on the top you can see it's asking for choose the version. So try to use the latest version that will be good for your interface of the WordPress dashboard. Now here it's coming for site name that will represent your website. So it was my videos, and here you can see it's asking for site description. So for example, I'm taking it as hey, these are my videos. After this, you can also see there's username and password coming. You can change it according to your need. So I'm taking it as admin and admin. So after this, you can choose language. You can choose language according to your need or interest. Next, it's the last part we are going to do in install option is that to select our theme. So you can click to show all themes. Here it will show you the list of all the available themes. So let's search for the theme available here. So it was about video content. So I'll search for video, but as you can see, there's no match found. Now you can see there are different themes are coming up, so you can go with any of the theme which you like more. So for the video content, I guess this one would be better. If you want to see the demo of the theme, you can click into this. So guys, I'm finally going to select this theme here only, and now you have to click on the install option. So you can see it's installing now. So it might take some time. As you can see, this may take up to 3 to 4 minutes. You can read it from here. It depends upon your internet speed, how fast your internet is working. So let it be, because this is the mandatory part. You cannot skip this part. So we will wait some few minutes more. Now, after completing this second part, you can move to the last part, how you can customize your theme and how you can give the right and attractive look to your website. So guys, now you are done with the installation part. As you can see on my screen, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. So you are given 2 links here. The first link you can click, it will show you how your website is looking like. So you can click on this and you can open. This is how your website is looking like. Coming back to second link, as you can see, administrative URL from where you can go ahead to the customized website. That means it will be your WordPress dashboard. So click on this and it will redirect you to the WordPress dashboard. And as you can see here, it's talking about the role of this dashboard. So let me tell you, this dashboard will let you make changes to your website. As you can see, either you can customize your website from here or you can change the theme completely. You can also enhance your content with blocks and patterns. You can do changes from left side also. If you want to add post, you can do it from here, and if you want to add new post, you can do it from here. Next, if you want to add media, so you can do it from here. Also, if you want to add new page or any, then you can click onto this pages. Also, if you want to make your comments or manage your content, then you can click into this comment option. Now, when you click into appearance, it will show you many options like themes, customize. So you can click on this also. Now, if you want to add any plugin, so you can click to plugin option. Also, if you want to make any other user to handle your website, then you can do it from here. Also, you can see there are many tools available here. So you can use any of these things. So here, when you go to the website again, on the top you can see my videos. If you remember, it was the name of the website I have given at that time, and now you can see in the heading, hey, these are my videos. And if you remember, it was the description I given at the time of the installation. So these all are the demo photos you can see. So you can also change it. You just need to go to the dashboard, and here you can see start customizing option. So click onto this. It will let you to do all the changes to your website. Let's suppose if you want to make changes in the header, footer, template and pages, then click into this and go to the header. And as you can see, it's preparing interface. So from here you can make any changes to the title or add new section or add new row. If you want to make any of the changes in the template, then you can see it's preparing interface, and you can change template from here. Like if you can change this template or any template you want to change. Next, also if you want to add homepage or make changes to your homepage, then click into this. It's preparing interface, and now you can change anything like home, about, content, practice area, blog, whatever you want to change, you can change it from here. From here, scrolling down, you can change this image or anything else you want to customize in your website. So guys, I hope it will help you to start your own video content website through WordPress. That's it for today. Keep watching PC Tips Pro.